Collect celebrity back to stage. Okay, this one around. Pupunta kayo sa kaliwa, sa kanan, side by side, sa center ng ating stage para mag-modeling like a Miss Pageant. Show your beauty, your OOTD para mas maging exciting itong laban na to. And start with you, ma'am. Recap tayo ha. Meron tayo Miss Curtis, Ivana Alawi, Angel Lacsin, and Miss Maha Salvador. Okay? So let's start with contestant number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, show some love and make some noise for Miss Ann Curtis! Wow! That's what I'm looking for, huh? Contestant number 2, let's give it up for Miss Ivana Alawi. Wow. Yeah.